Hi, Bob. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Up speed. Oh my God. This. These back here, they're trying to form back here. They're coming this way. Look, right there. There it is. It's forming. Look, right there. Bolts back here. It's forming. Oh, that's huge. It's building. It's doing nothing but building. Oh, now there's 3 of them. Back here. Look, there's multiple back here. They're trying to form. Back here, there's starting to be some rotation. That whole thing's going to turn into a big old tornado. Be careful. Anybody want to go storm chasing? top of it's lifting. It's lifting some. Come on. It's beautiful, but I mean that's tragedy. Looks like it's finally lifting. That was a tornado on the ground a little after, what time is it now? About 3 o'clock. It's on the ground around 3 o'clock right here in Good Hope.